All right, welcome back. And as we look off to the west, the sun is returning to the FM area, at least the western reaches, and we can see the raindrops passing the way across the lens as well. Enough rain here to wet the streets, but as you'll see here momentarily, the brunt of the storms that passed through the eastern reaches of Cass County missed most of the metro area, at least the heavy stuff did. Now let's take a look at what's going on with regards to our radar. We have a few storms left, and we can see this broad area of circulation now. South winds out ahead of the storm, bringing in the warm, moist air. Thunderstorms in the Roseau County area with some thunder and lightning, and some in northeasternmost parts of North Dakota right now that are swirling around on the backside. In the Fargo-Moorhead area, just seeing the storms exited, as we showed you on the Skycam. And some very heavy rain showers with a few remnant bolts of lightning taking place out to the west. Here's what's going on in the FM area. The heaviest of the rain passing out of West Fargo. Notice this little notch right there. That's where the drying line is, and it's going to be exiting off to the east. So just a few more minutes of shower activity here, particularly in North Fargo as it moves off to the east. If you are in Clay County, much of your area will have a good shot at least some moisture from the system, maybe a tenth or 2/10 of an inch. Maybe a little heavier under this red cell right here to the south. Heavy rain from Kindred and points south into northern Richland County as we look at the rainfall from the storms estimated by Doppler radar. Where you see the greens and yellows, radar estimates about an inch. That was the first cell that clipped the very far northern reaches of the metro area. Then it looked like a good shot at some rain moving in, but it dove south. So we have the bite taken out of the rainfall, and that's the way things happen sometimes. Not as much rain as we'd like, and very, very soggy showers work their way through parts of Griggs and Steele County. Also Nelson and Grand Forks County. By the way, down here where you see these oranges, between 2 and 4 inches of rain estimated in that area, and a very heavy band of rain making its way up into Roseau County, and that's continuing up for your area. A few areas of heavy rain moving into Dickey and Lemoore counties out to the west. This is all drifting to the south and east. The risk for anything severe here, not too great, although this cell up here near Pingree could contain some sizable hail on the order of P tomorrow. That's about it. Not expecting big time hail from these cells. Up in northeast North Dakota, Cavalier down toward Park River, these cells slowly pushing to the south, 5 to 15 miles per hour. Heavy rain and some small hail potential from them as well. Storms exiting Roseau area, pushing in towards War Road at this time. And the rainfall amounts again heavy in Roseau County, and that extended to just north of Grand Forks. And then out in the Larimore area, just out to the west, some funnel clouds sighted west of Grand Forks tonight. Also down in the Fort Ransom area, reports of a funnel cloud there and a tornado touching down out to the west or south of Cavalier. A look at your planning forecast as we head into the evening hours. Temperatures in the 70s this evening with mid-60s out there as we go through the evening hours. Now, as we jump over here onto the computer, pardon me, I've got to advance to the next graphic here. It got stuck on me. One moment while I get this cleared out. Temperature-wise, the rain has cooled us off here in the FM area. And look at the beautiful rainbow as we look out off to the east over the Moorhead area. Just what we needed was some greening showers. 65 degrees, showers exiting, calm wind now. It's a little warmer in Moorhead at the top of the hour. 72 Cavalier, 60s up in Roseau as the rain continues. Look at this, continuing with 80s in southeast North Dakota. But the showers are expected to kind of push through your way as we go through 8 o'clock. Then after that, they dry up and disappear for the most part. Temperatures slip into the 50s as we go through the overnight hour, with light and variable winds to start your Thursday morning. We'll see some sunshine out there through midday. It does not look too hot on our Thursday, and it looks quiet weather-wise, with our only chance of rain coming very late in the day, mainly in our western counties, as a little weather wiggle works its way eastward late at night. So your planning forecast, 58 in the morning, climbing through the 60s, on our way into the 80-degree range with a north wind, some cooler weather for your day tomorrow across much of the area. Low 80s, there's a shot at that from Jamestown into southeast North Dakota. Low to mid 70s across Lakes Country for your afternoon there. Here's a great shot of a very lonely thunder cell out there near the Comstock area. Tiffany, thanks for uploading your photo. Now when we take a look at your forecast, Thursday quiet, Friday anything but. A risk of severe weather with more heat, so more energy and a chance for some hailing storms there into Saturday. We'll see remnant storms as well. 76 as we cool off for the weekend. Some refreshing weather there. Temperatures next week hovering near 80 degrees. And again, some chances for at least some hit and miss showers and storms as we go through midweek. All in all, a little bit of rain. Again, not everybody getting some tonight. That's a frustrating part when we certainly could have used some more moisture here.
Right. A lot of people need it. We do have a couple dry days in there, too. So
that's right.
We're good with that. Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.